Beacon Lake is in its final phase of construction and there are only a few opportunities left for a new home. Hello everyone, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Beacon Lake community located in St. Augustine, Florida. We're going to be touring a quick move-in by Dreamfinders Homes. This home is listed by Herron Real Estate. This is the Nassau floor plan. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 1,968 square feet. Have a covered front patio, an 8-foot entry door. Let's take a look inside. As you enter, you have the stairs to the right, and then a hallway here leading into the common living area. There is LVP flooring throughout the first floor. Here we walk into the living room. Dining room area over here. You can see the sliders and the windows allow for lots of natural light. And then here is the kitchen. Now the kitchen does feature a chef's kitchen or a gourmet kitchen layout where you're gonna have the microwave oven combo, and then a vent with a cooktop. Beacon Lake is a natural gas community, so the cooktop will be gas, and then you do have a connection for a gas dryer in the laundry room. Let's take a look at the pantry here. All right, and then next there is space here for a Keurig, refrigerator, and then the kitchen does feature quartz countertops, a dishwasher here, and then the backsplash you see there. Now this home does have a large backyard. Let's take a look. All right, so covered patio, and you can see the large area there. All right, let's make our way upstairs. Now, if you're interested in knowing more about this home or would like a private tour, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Or if you're looking to visit the Northeast Florida area, give me a call. Now it is important to reach out to me before visiting any builders, since builders do require their agents be present at the first visit. All right, so that was the powder room. And then here are the carpeted stairs. Okay, so you'll have 4 bedrooms upstairs. And we'll start with the bedrooms and then we'll head into the primary suite. All right, here we have the first bedroom, closet there. Okay, right next door is the next bedroom. Here is a full bath that features a shower tub combo. And then quartz countertops with a undermount sink, tile floor, and then the third bedroom here. And there are blinds throughout the home. Here is the laundry room with tile, washer dryer, and then that is the mechanical room, so that's where the AC handler or HVAC will be. Just before entering the primary bedroom, there is a linen closet. And then here we have the primary bedroom. And then here is the owner's bath, water closet, and then 2 sinks here, quartz countertops with the undermount sink, walk-in shower with tile going all the way up to the ceiling, a linen closet, and then the most important closet, which is the walk-in closet.